analyzing any kind of review becomes important to a company, so that it helps to understand what are the customer preferences, what is the customer feedback. And so here we have taken restaurant reviews, and we are going to understand various NLP techniques which will help us to so that we can categorize the feedback as whether the ambience, the environment, the food is liked or not liked, whether the restaurant as such is liked or not liked. So here we have data. Wow, love this place, 1. Crust is not good, 0. That is, this indicates a negative review. Not tasty, 0. The fries were great too, 1. A great touch, 1. Service was very prompt, 1, indicating that it is liked. So this is the data, and now we're going to train our model, pre-process the data, train the model, and also try out the model on some sample data. So here is the restaurant reviews file. I declare a for loop and in the for loop here it takes the it moves ahead for 1000 iterations, that is for 1000 records, and for those 1000 records, first of all it will convert the review to lowercase, it will split it, apply the pointer stemmer to it, check on the stop words. If there are stop words, from the stop words remove not, because I want to capture it, then apply pointer stemmer, and then finally join it, and then all this is getting added to a list which is called corpus. So once we print corpus, we'll get wow, love, place, crust, not good, not tasty, texture, nasty. So like this we are getting. Now we have to create a bag of words model onto this, and so I look for 1500 features from this, and I apply the bag of words model, and using the bag of words model I convert this to an array. Now from the data set, that I take the last column, and that becomes the y variable, and from the CountVectorizer, when after it is applied on the corpus, that becomes the x object. This is a very simple model where we are just trying to show you the simple bag of words and applying it on Naive Bayes. Train test split is done. 0.2 and random state is mentioned as 0, and then Naive Bayes model, Gaussian Naive Bayes is used, the model is fitted, and then the model is used to predict the result. Now here it is showing the results. See, so here certain predictions have gone wrong, whereas certain predictions are correct. And so let us see how many are wrong and how many are correct. So in the confusion matrix, we see that 73% of the predictions have been correct. Now let us check how we can predict for a single review if it is positive or negative. So I love this restaurant so much, so let us see how can I do this. So this is my new review. We have to repeat the entire pre-processing task, and using the classifier that I got here, show you, this is the classifier. Once I apply all the pre-processing tasks, convert it to lowercase, split it, apply protostemmers to it, remove not words from the stop words so that I maintain that in the final review also. Apply the CV object, the CountVectorizer object for bag of words model, and pass it to the model to predict, and the model has predicted 1, indicating that it is a positive review. Similarly, I hate this restaurant so much, and this is giving me 0 as the result, indicating that the model has correctly predicted as negative by a model. So this is a simple model which involves some NLP pre-processing, applying then bag of words model and a simple Gaussian Naive Bayes model. And then we have also shown how do we do this on another set of another review. So this has given me 0 result.